There's two hawks up on this platform. This is our deer platform for shooting deer from. We're here at Highland Hill Farm. We're going to try and drive up closer to these hawks to get a better look. The one hawk flew off, but the other's still there. He's looking right at us. This is a block of green giant arborvitaes. More green giants at the top of this next field with Niagaras in the base, and some more Niagaras and green giants over in there, and more green giants all the way up through there. Give us a call, 215-651-8. We are not going to run out of 3-foot hemlocks. It looks like about 2,000 in this field. So just give us a call at 215-651-8329. We can dig a bunch of these for you. They're really nicely trimmed. Give us a call, 215-651-8329. This is a block of emerald green arborvitaes, just to give you an idea. These are from 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10 foot. And they held up pretty well through the winter. Sometimes you do lose a branch due to snow load, but it didn't seem to be so bad. If we take a look over here, you can see these are Technique, and you can see how they just fell right apart. So, a few Primordialis in there, but you can just see the difference, how well these held together versus some of these others over here for the Technique and the Primordialis. So give us a call at 215-651-8329. These are 5 to 6 and 4 to 5s, green giant arborvitaes. Got plenty of them here. Just give us a call, 215-651-8329. These are Dr. Kazab hollies. Give us a call, 215-651-8329.